ഹലോ വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക്. കുറച്ചുകൂടി MCQs ആയിട്ടാണ് വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. Court may alter charges framed against accused before beginning of the prosecution evidence, before beginning of defense evidence, before examination of accused under section 313, at any time before the judge is pronounced. Answer option D, 216 ആണ് section. If a person who is competent to compound offence under section 320 die, then offences can be compounded by complainant. Offences can be compounded by illegal representative with consent of court. Offences can be compounded by eyewitness with permission of court. No one is competent to compound the offence. Answer option B, 320 section 4 lana. The closure report is murder case can be accepted by the magistrate, the court of session, the high court, the supreme court. Answer option A, that is section 209. Every warrant of arrest shall remain in force until it is executed, cancelled by the court which issued it, it expires its own, both A and B. Answer B, that means cancelled by the court which issued it. Statement covered under section 164 can be recorded by executive magistrate, police officer, judicial or metropolitan magistrate, all of the above. Option C. Power to grant anticipatory bail can be exercised by High Court, Session Court, Chief Judicial Magistrate, both High Court and Court of Session. Answer option D. അത് 438 2-ലാണ് പറയുന്നത്, section 438. Which of the following requirements need not be followed under section 200 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? The complaint must be examined. Examination of the complainant must be under oath. The accused must be given an opportunity to be heard. The examination of the complainant must be reduced in writing. That is answer C. Under the provision of section 202, the magistrate cannot conduct the inquiry in himself, ask the police officer to conduct an investigation, ask a person who is not a police officer to conduct an investigation, use judicial discretion. Answer D. The magistrate under the provisions of section 203 can dismiss a complaint even if the proceedings against the accused have commenced, even if there is sufficient ground for proceedings, even if inquiry under section 202 of the CRPC is not done, even if the complainant is not examined. Answer C. Under section 239 and 240 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, reasons must be given if the accused is discharged. Reasons must be given if the charges are framed against him. Hearing includes hearing evidence is needed. Options A 1 and 2, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, option D only 3. So answer is option B, that is 1 and 2. Reasons must be given if the accused is discharged and reasons must be given if the charges are framed against him. Under section 243, a magistrate cannot issue summons to the complainant for being examined as a witness of the accused. The court cannot ask the accused to deposit expense which might be incurred by the witness. All the instances of the accused, the complainant can be summoned, all the above. Option A. Normally, a person cannot be discharged unless the prosecution evidence have been taken and the magistrate considers for the reasons to be recorded that no case is made out against the accused. Which of the following section contains exceptions to this rule? 239, 245, 248 and 203. Answer option B, that is 245. Which of the following statements does not hold true under section 246 of the CRPC? The magistrate can exercise the discretion to allow cross-examination or not. The accused cannot cross-examine the witness for the prosecution before the charges are made. If the accused pleads guilty, magistrate is bound to record the plea. If the accused pleads guilty, magistrate is not bound to convict him. Option B. Which of the following statement hold true under section 248? The magistrate does not have power to discharge the accused. The section will apply when some evidence have been let and in such evidence is not satisfactory, this section does not apply in case of prosecution cannot produce any evidence. The magistrate does not have power to pass sentence on the accused. Answer B. Discharge of the accused under section 249 of the CRPC is considered to be acquitted for the purpose of section 300 of CRPC is based on the merits of the case, act as a bar on filing second complaint, need not done in case of complainant dies. Answer D. The order for compensation under section 250 of the CRPC can be made in case where the offences are compounded, where discharge or acquittal is not made by the magistrate only, where the offences charged is tried by him by the successor in offence. Answer C. In which of the following section no appeal is petty cases can be made by a convicted person? 286, 350, 356, 376. Answer option D. Which of the following section deals with appeal by the state government against sentence? 377, 555, 456, 289. Answer A. X is accused of an act which may amount to theft or receiving stolen property or criminal breach of trust of cheating. Applying section 221 CRPC, he may be charged with theft only. He may be charged with the criminal breach of trust and cheating only. He may be charged with a theft, receiving stolen property, criminal breach and cheating. None of them. Answer is C. Which section deals with the power of additional judge? 290, 394, 388 to 400. Answer D.